Log in to the EazyGo business portal at www.easygo.live using any web browser. Simply enter your phone number and the OTP you received on WhatsApp. After successfully logging in, you'll see a list of all the diagnostic studies completed to date. To upload a new study in real time, click the Upload New button. Enter the patient's phone number. Once the study is uploaded and published, it will automatically be shared with them. Select the referring doctor or add a new one. The study will also be shared with the referring doctor immediately after publishing. Choose an existing patient profile or create a new one, making sure it's tagged with the same phone number. Drag and drop patient's DICOM folder from your computer onto the web page. You can also upload clinical images, videos, and PDF files along with DICOM studies. Uploading files may take a few moments, so please be patient. Once the upload is complete, click the Next button. Review and confirm the study details on this screen. Once verified, click the Publish button. Check or edit the name of the study if needed. Once finalized, click the Publish button again to confirm. The study will be published immediately and will become available to the patient, referring doctor, and all hospital users on the EazyGo app for iOS and Android.